basic principle of Elizarov. And we have already discussed the basic things, basic principles where you are going to use it. And we also discuss about the utility, where to use, what are the advantages of this Elizarov technique.
Sir, Dhruva Pujari.
Dhruva Pujari, আমি আমার ফালৰ পৰা স্বাগতম জনালো। आप आइए, हम आपको स्वागतम करते हैं, आपका साथ संयोग करते हुए। টিটু মানে
সাইলেন্ট হয়েছে আরে একটু সাইলেন্ট হয়েছে নাকি স্যার
এতিয়া
আনমিউট কৰি দিয়া আনমিউট
ধ্ৰুৱক এতিয়া আমি স্বাগতম কৰিছো ধ্ৰুৱ को हमारी तरफ से प्यार भरा नमस्कार
गुड मॉर्निंग सर
हम आगे बढ़ते हैं हमने कुछ बात आपको ऑलरेडी आई हैव स्पोकन टू यू एंड अप टू दिस डू यू हैव एनीथिंग टू आस्क I have already discussed about the simple things, and all simple things are important. You must have a basic knowledge. I already told you that before going for this Elizarov, you must have a cross-sectional anatomical knowledge of all the area. What is this? What is this? Means that we are more accustomed, familiar to the longitudinal anatomy. What is longitudinal? This is my term, of course. You are not going to get this term anywhere. This is my term. My term is that we are more familiar to the longitudinal axis because we are all doing whatever implants is longitudinal to the bone. But here the technology is all vertical. So here longitudinal, we know the artery is going like this, and they have a relationship with the muscle like this medially, and going straight. Then there is a correlation with that of your nerve like this. So this sort of anatomy we are familiar to it. Be it upper limb, be it lower limb. This is a longitudinal anatomy. Yes or no? This is longitudinal anatomy, we are more familiar to it. But in case of Elizarov, you must have basic knowledge of cross-sectional anatomy. What is meant to us that while doing the cross section of the area, you must have a mindset with the picture in your mind that in this situation, the relation of the various muscles and tendon and other things. हम लोग का लड़की लोग कहाँ गया? माउनी? ओपीडी में संयोग क्यों नहीं किया है? हम लोग का लड़की लोग कहाँ गया? हमारे एक ही लड़की है यहाँ पे पूरा आसाम में उसको सेवा करना हमारा धर्म है बोलो इसीलिए so that is important. So you must have it. That is why these correlations of the various nerves here, the common peroneal nerve, what is the position, particularly in case of lower limb, then what is the position of this artery, anterotibial artery, how it crosses the anteriorly, then how it traverses lower. Because relationship in upper part, relationship in middle part, relationship in distal part is all different. So your mindset should be clear. And this is not very difficult because we are mostly doing the Elizarov there in lower limb, particularly in leg and particularly in femur. Sometimes, of course, in upper limb, particularly humerus. Radius and Allah are relatively less done. Really less done. So at least this part you're supposed to have a good knowledge on Elizarov, on cross-sectional anatomical view. ये आपका माइंड में घुसना है और इसको ना आपको दिमाग में रहना है आई डिड इसको प्रिस्क्राइब. And as far as your safe corridor is concerned, safe corridor means where you are safe, where there is a possibility, less possibility of AMC का तो बुलाओ तो किसी को AMC PG का वो सिंह है ना वो तो कहाँ गया हाँ MC को बुलाया वो पैसे ने कहा बोलो उसको बुलाओ तो पोस्ता उसको बुलाओ हाँ बोलो किसी को बोलो तो इसको बोलो तो आप कांटेक्ट करने के लिए ठीक है so that is the important thing that is a working knowledge only and we have also discussed yes it is fourth what is the generation this is the third generation actually external fixator the type of external fixator which is you can say third generation huh not sure कोई और पीजी मारो तो वहां पे एल मार के ऑर्थो पीजी एएमसी सिमरन सिंह को बोलो so then that is why that is more important and we have already discussed that what is the basic principle of your reserve there's distraction osteogenesis that part should be clear and what is the meaning of all these things we have discussed that in physiological limit if you do a distract of the muscles or tendon or anything else it means elongated not only the bone but along with the bone all the surrounding structure also elongates and these are essentially normal structures essentially behave normally and also are reproducible that one can also reproduce it that is the basic principle heart of your and this is tensioning means that your device is under tension device is under tension that is the basic two heart problem baki all are technical things and sound technical thing we have already discussed technical part this is your principle that part we discussed about the principle the osteogenesis what is this and we also talked about the osteotomy and corticotomy what is osteotomy and what is corticotomy we had discussed corticotomy is less traumatic osteotomy to some extent is more traumatic so we do not want to violate the periosteum and artery as far as possible that is the basic thing that part is also clear the next point is that up to now principle is clear now and you know the uses we do not want to talk because these are as I told you that this Ilizarov technique is never a technique for the conventional surgeries you become a master of the technique but doesn't mean to that you are injudicious in selecting the cases once you cross the limit you will feel the disaster that is the important thing so this technique is not meant for the conventional operative procedures where the conventional operative procedures give good result you should not replace it by Ilizarov but in situations where there is infected non-union pseudoarthrosis deformities shortening loss of bones yes their conventional techniques are not suitable yes there is a role to play so you have to be more selective in using it you are mastering this thing doesn't mean that you have the liberty to use it here and there so that is why you have to be careful so one by one things is just recapitulated that is a principle that this is happening I already told you another half-ring lesson outer here so coupling of the half-ring again an important thing you have to have one bolt bolt unlao bolt lao isko yahan lagane see there are two this is called half-ring this is a half-ring and this half-ring will tell you that there are some modification of the half-ring one modification of half-ring you will find is a carving like this is called omega ring omega rings are mostly used from the upper part of the humerus, upper part of the sometimes femur trochanteric area. Another modification of this half ring is 5-8 ring. Means your length is if you are divided into 8 parts, 5 parts are intact and 3 parts are removed. That means you are extending it like this. So only this part is open. 5-8 ring. So in half ring you get 5-8 ring, one half ring, one omega ring. Then in this case is called Italian arch. If you do not have the arch here, we are lacking instrument here. Even then, I will tell you that this arch is mainly meant for mainly for the upper part of the femur, trochanteric area. You know, in trochanteric area, draw the principle of external fixation here is transfixation. Transfixation means you are passing through the bone and opposite. But in certain area, this is not possible. like upper part of the femur, trochanter here. So if you want to fix it, you cannot do it because other side you cannot pass the pin like this to have a encourage other side. So there you take the help of a uniplanar. So like that, and also in the upper medial part of the thigh, it's also not possible to pierce it like this. So there also is half ring sort of thing. Then distal 1/3 of the femur, yes, one can go for transfixation there. So that is some sort of modification, but that transfixation is not possible everywhere. You have to replace the uniplanar device, and for this there are specific modification to the half ring, like one for Italian arch. We do not have the arch over here, arch. Okay? So in half ring, so photo dekhao, hai na? Italian, this is the arch. So you know this arch here, this is the arch. You have this arch is basically is for use in the upper part of the femur, particularly in trochanteric area. This is called Italian. Actually, Italian modification arch as or Italian arch. So in the half ring, you have half ring, you have omega ring, you have Italian arch. Again, half ring is also different sizes. I tell you, we talk the size on the basis of your internal diameter. Internal diameter. So internal diameter is starting from 80. This diameter is 80. Then you go over 80 to 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 240 like this, depending upon the size. So in a supposing in a very big person, like a big thigh, a thigh of a big Saudarji, this ring is not going to be sufficient enough. So there you necessarily have to select a ring which is big enough. How much big? We'll talk. How much big? We'll talk. On the other hand, this ring is not suitable for a child of 6 years, 8 years. So it's highly see, if this bone is too much here, actually if it's like this, and if the gap, so thigh or soft tissue is there. If this gap between the thigh, muscle, the skin to the ring is more, there are two conditions I am telling you. Tell me. There are two conditions I am telling you. One, I am using this thing in a small style, big ring, fixing like this. Is it good or bad? Huh? Bad. So if the distance is too much, that will compromise the stability of the bone. So if the distance from the skin and the ring is too much, it will compromise the strength of the bone, device. You have minimum. Shorter, if this gap between these two is very less, it is good. If this wire part is less, it is good. But with the wire part is more from this ring, bad. But how much good, how much bad? So that is why this said at least 2 finger practically, or 2 to 3 centimeter. So 2 to 3 centimeter uniform. That should be uniform throughout the ring. Uniform matlab ye ring ka saru taraf se. So uniform in the sense that your uniformity of this gap is center mein rakho, center mein, ha. Thoda idhar aao, aisa karke, ha. So uniformity is that uniformly you have a uniform gap. That uniform gap is 2 to 3 centimeters. Ideally 2, or you can go for 3, or sometimes a bit deviate. So same ring, see, if you are using the same size or rim, so 160 or 140 for your tibia, in the upper part is okay, gap is uniform, but same ring in the distal part of the 1/3, distal 1/3, where the area is small, girth is small, necessarily the gap will be more, but you cannot change the ring according to your need. So that is okay. All right? But upper part, it is at least 2 finger width or 2 centimeter minimum. So that mass of your, that is what I am talking is the selection of the ring. Justification in selection of the ring is based on this. Okay? Smaller is better. but you must have at least 2 to centimeter gap of it. More big, unproportionately big is not good from the stability point of view. Here, selection of the ring and where ring where. About the 5-8 ring, this 5-8 ring is mostly used in the upper part of the tibia. And it is done because of the fact he can have freedom of movement of the knee joint. To allow this freedom of movement of the knee joint, you can keep the posterior part open so as to have a good range of flexion and extension. Okay, that is 5-8 ring. Half ring, the Italian nerves I told you, and it is full ring. So all select. I told you about this ring. Now coupling of this half ring together. Yeah, I told you that sometimes the ring may become a one unit, but here usually come a half ring. That is more important. Easy to couple, but that is easy. And while joining these two things, you also mark it that there is some sort of bend in the end. And you can have two type of your fixation here. One is like this. Another is like this, which is good. See, just mark it. See, there is a bend over here. You can see the bend. I can have this coupling like this also. One. I can have the coupling like this too. So which is good? This is good. See at the bend. See coupling. See there is a bend over here. There is a small bend in the distal part of this bend. Are you noticing it? So that bend should be coupled like this. Coupling like this. You should not go for coupling like this. This coupling is not matching. This is matching. So in a formation also you supposed to do this coupling together like this. ठीक है sir? This is good. This is not good. This is the ideal one. ठीक है? Yeah, coupling or fixation of the two. তিনচুকীয়া জন ক'ত গ'ল? আছে এটা ওচৰলৈ মাতি ইমান দূৰতে কেলে চাই আছে? और राजीव भाई कहाँ है? टेलीफोन को उठाओ और बोलो सर क्लास में व्यस्त है, शिक्षादान महादान है बोलो। महादान नहीं कर रहा। Now next thing is there where? DJ where? K where? So this is K where. Next point. Now we'll talk about different types of K where. This is most important thing. And this ring fixator, this fixation is made by this tense fixation by the wires, by the K wire. It is unlike in the external fixator, we do use sense pin, but here do use K wire. Again, how many types of K wire? One. Number one is size. Size of the K wire is coming in 1.5 and 1.8 most of the time. Diameter 1.5, 1.8. 1.5 is mostly selected for the children and 1.8 is being selected for the adult. Number 2 point. Number 3 point, the ends. Two types of ends are mostly thing, a trocar end, another is called bayonet end. So trocar ends are mostly selected for quote soft bone. Bayonets are mostly selected for the hard bone, cortical bone. So soft and hard. So you find out the end point. One is called trocar end, one is called bayonet end. Bayonet end square sharp for your sharp hard bone, and that is for soft bone. ठीक है? And then another is with olive hair. We do not have olive hair. Olive नहीं ना? जो काटा था उसको पीस नहीं निकला है. अभी तो ऐसे नहीं शासन. Do you have olive? वो काट के जो निकला था आदमी का वो टुकड़ा नहीं रखा, वो जो आदमी का नहीं रखा ना, ओलिव ऐसे निकला आदमी, ओलिव देखा है, ओलिव ऑयल देखा है कि नहीं? ओहो, एक फोटो निकल गया ओलिव है, हाय टुकड़ा किसी के पास नहीं है ना? कोई पीस है क्या? ओलिव का पीस है क्या? एक्चुअली वो अंदर में खींच के है क्या? देखो तो उसमें 9 भाई क्या देखो, So another wear is there with olive wear. Olive means your stopper will be there here. This is olive wear. So olive wear is this. See, इसको दिखाई देता है कि नहीं हो यार हम तो क्या कर दिया है आया है कहाँ देखा है कहाँ है इसको दिखाई दिया olive wear. Okay, we see the olive wear. The perceive नहीं कर रहा है. Where there will be a knob over there. A knob will be there here in this area, particularly in this area. What is the function of this knob? We'll tell you. This is called
Compression.
this is called olive wear. This is called olive wear. In olive wear, I will mark up in kaha. So one example of olive wear utilization here. Supposing there is a fracture like this, oblique fracture like this. A fracture is oblique like this. So in this case, with the olive wear, can you give compression? Yes. How? I am passing a stopper from this side. Another stopper is from this side. Since the fracture line is like this, so if I am pulling this force here with the stopper here, another from this point is fracture line is oblique like this. So this while you're pulling like this, another pull like this, what will happen to the fracture? It will call compression. Compression. Hodagar, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Aru apna bodhu kejon kot gol?
Sir, corona duty kori ase, sir.
Baru de hobo paito dai aru thike ase. So there is a oblique fracture like this. In a situation like this, one can pass a wire from here, olive wire, another from this side. In due direction, if you are pulling, it will cause compression of this area. Same principle, see, there is a fracture over here. A split in the upper part of the tibia. Split in the upper part of the tibia. Then if you wear olive from this side, another olive from this side, this will act as a compressing force to this fracture, longitudinal fracture. Yes or no? So that
Yes,
principle can be applied here in the distal part also. If you are passing a olive from here, another olive from this side, if you are pull, that will essentially lead to compression of the longitudinal fracture. So that is the use of your olive wear. So we have discussed about the wires first. That we do have various types of wear, size of the wear, tip of the wear, and plain wear and olive wear. The olive wear, what is the use, and the plain wear, what to select wear. So this is about the wear. ठीक है? इसका बारे में किसी को कोई संदेश है तो माने कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं. पुरो खरागर किबा खुदिबा আছে নেকি ও?
নাই sir. Sir, olive wire দুটা ফালে দুটা দিব লাগিব নে sir এটা দিলে হ'ব in case of tibial plateau fracture sir?
এতিয়া নিজে ভাবি লোৱা. এফালে যদি দিয়া আৰু এফালে যদি চা. এটা ফ্ৰেগমেন্ট যদি স্মল ফ্ৰেগমেন্ট ফ্ৰীলি আছে, another is continuously diaphysis. Simple এটা কথা কৈছো, there is a split like this. ঠিক আছে? Fragment is free. মানে এটা কোনটো অলিভে কোন ফল দিলে ভালো হ'ব?
Split যোন ফালে হেৰি আছে.
এইফালে যদি স্প্লিট হৈ ফ্ৰী হৈ থাকিলে, this fragment is free. Now I will pass a olive from here because it is a function, it is fixed. ঠিক আছে নাই? যে অলিভে কোন ফল দিব লাগিব? So if there is fragment and like this, so I will pass the olive from this side and compress it toward the other side. It will essentially compress. This is a fixed part. This is continuous diaphysis. Yes, on the other hand, if you have a fracture like this where two fragments are going together both sides, one can pass a olive from here, another from the other side to have a compression there. So selections of the how we are using the olive is just a simple principle of compression. So here you are giving a compression in the corneal plane. In a split, longitudinal split, you can place this olive wear in a compression mode. You can place you have to be selective according to the need of the morphology of the fracture. You have to be selective according to the morphology of the fracture, where you can go for the compression of a longitudinal split. The justifications of use a simple arithmetic. You just line it. And which direction I supposed to give the wire? It's a simple thing. So this is going to give a compression in a longitudinal split, and placement of the wire will be essentially depends upon you. हो गया? अच्छा दूसरे तीसरा बात तो बताते हैं. तो यहाँ तक आपका कोई तो शंका नहीं है. हम आपको बाद में कुछ करके दिखाएगा. I will show how to work. कैसे जाता है? बहुत मोटा है यार. कैसा जाता है कि नहीं जाता है? वो जाता है ना? वो तो बहुत छोटा लाया. इतना मोटा है ना? चलो ठीक है. लंबा है. चलो ठीक है. So next point is this claim. This point I already told you the selection of the claim. This is a ball actually ball. It's a ball. People used to say ball. We used to say sometimes K claim also K wire claim. Simple or K wire claim or even ball. Ball. ठीक है? तो इसको हम कहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं? इसको हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं to anchoring this K wire with that of the ring. This clamp is being used for anchorage. This clamp is being used for the anchorage of this K wire along with the that of your ring. So if I am pressing it like this for the bone, this is for the bone. We'll show you sometime after some time the bone. But you have to fix it here. With how? With a clamp. This is called ball. This is a ball. But in simple word, somebody used to say it is as if a K clamp, matlab K wire clamp. So K wire clamp is the your way how you can also do the anchorage of the K wire with that of your half ring. So you have to do it like this. हाँ इसको टाइट करना रेंज दो लाइन करते हैं दो रेंज लाइन so that is your anchor. So you have to do this anchorage here. In other side also you have to have this anchorage along with this here clamp. This clamp और क्या है clamp that is called K wire clamp or what is this called clamp. ठीक है? Now in the K clamp, I told you yes last class that you do have is your slot. See one is in a central one, central. One is called central, another is called in the periphery. Eccentric. One is sorry. Another you will find in a slot sometime in the side. So anchorage can be given both the side. One is a slot there in the by this side, another is through the clamp. It is much better, but here also it is sometimes essential to do. Now, what essential to do? See, इसको थोड़ा सा टाइट करो. So I am passing a pin like this. There are few conditions may happen in the other side. See, select very carefully. You see, this may go through the clamp like this in the center. One condition, through the point at the center, or sometimes it may go little bit of eccentric. Yes or no? ইতিমধ্যে কথাটো বুজি পাইছানে?
পাইছো স্যার.
ও হৰাগৰ.
স্যার বুঝি পাইছো স্যার.
এটা
বুঝি পাইছো.
মাজেদি গ'ল এটা সাইডেদি গ'ল. হয় নাই? এতিয়া এই সাইডেটো যোৱাটো হ'ল you are going to use the side clamp. মাজেদি যোৱাটো কাৰণে ভাল eccentric clamp. Very good, eccentric clamp. Other one central clamp. ঠিক আছে? Why this so? Why it is important that you do not try to bend the K wire. In case you are going to do the bending, it will work as a deforming force to the bone. Okay? So if this plane is like this, if you are given a traction like this, a traction will do what is deflection. टेंशन देने से पहले ये ऐसा में था, हमने जोड़ करके ऐसा लाया है, हम तो ला सकते हैं, लेकिन जब हम पुल करेगा, टेंशन देगा, तब क्या करेगा, ये बोन को थोड़ा सा डिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. So that is why it is ideal to select the name. One principle is that do not try to bring the K-wire to the ring. Rather, try to bring the ring to the K-wire. Another principle. Now, that is one situation. Yes. Another situation, it may be that there is a gap here. Say, I have passed the K-wire, but I am unable to pass it through the contact of the K-wire. This side I could able to pass. Other side I have seen there is a gap in the ring. Gap देखा है? It is not coming directly in contact with the ring. Rather, there is a deflection here. There is a gap over there. Now, what next? What will do? What will do? Washer है क्या? Washer देखो तो. एक्सटर्नल फिक्सेटर का क्लैंप का washer निकाल लो. Washer. एक्सटर्नल फिक्सेटर का क्लैंप का washer आता है ना? Washer निकाल लो, पटाओ निकाल. Washer. तो ऐसा स्थिति में क्या करेगा? इति मनी
washer लगा दी सर.
Washer लगा दिए. Very good. You give a washer over there. So you will deflect it. Do not try to pull it. Rather than you will keep washer here. Keep the washer. Then you fix it. Okay? So while I am talking all these things, that there is another thing. Why I am repeatedly telling that you do not try to deflect the axis of your. Do not try to deflect the axis of the. Do not try to deflect the axis of the K-wire. Rather, you try to bring the ring nearer to the K-wire. Hold me. One other principle. So it is deviation. You keep it like this. You try to fix it and fix it in such a way that there is no deflection of the K-wire. Daniel भाई थोड़ा लेट हो गया तुमको. Daniel भाई आवाज नहीं दे रहा है. Daniel भाई नमस्कार. वो पीजी में Daniel वॉशर दो. ठीक है, समझ गया ना? तो a washer. This is a type of washer. See, this is a washer. This is a washer. This types of washer is important to sometimes space the gap like this. So whole principle of this is that you do not try to deflect the K-wire. You try to bring the ring towards the K-wire, rather bringing the K-wire towards the ring. इसका बारे में तो कोई किसी को शंका नहीं है. So we have talked about the ring, K-wire, clamp, and also use of washer. Now, next point is there some other additional things are there. वो male female push दीजिए तो ये दीजिए तो. So there, this is called one hinge. This is mostly useful. This is actually post. This is a post. Hinge are two part. So hinge and post are almost similar in the it is hinge. You can convert to the hinge. This is basically for the purpose of your correction of the deformities. Another is your male and female post. Male female post. Male female post देखो, वो देखो, ये post, male post and female post. Female post में वो ये, this is a female post. Female post and male post here. See, female post is there. There is a hole there. इसको खोलो तो. I'll show you. इसको खोलो. Then तो दे दो. This is a female post. It is a male post. This is a female post. The hole is there. This is a female post. So you can put the rod like this to convert into a convert into a hinge. This is a female post. On the other hand, if this part is there, this is a male post. So these are the two posts over there. One is called male, another is called female. Female, there is a hole over there, so you can go for it. So here, supposing you want to fix it here, a hinge is being formed in the ring. So this part can be fixed over there, and hinge can be applied like this. So depending upon need. So just to have an idea, this is called male post, that is called female post. Female post can be extended with this rod. Extended with this rod. Here is the fixed part. So one is called male post, another is called female post. So it can be extended. Now I will show you some halfing. इसको खोलो तो नहीं हुआ ना दे क्लियर कोई दिसो दे एक डॉट पे खोलो तो इसको खोलो पकड़ के इसको खोलो 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 और दिखाया था ना होल जिसका था ये no this is clear that there are see these are additional thing can be used as I said that one is with a hole over there, this is called female post, another is like this is a male post. Sometimes if necessary you can extend it like using a coupling of this male and female. Look out. So you can use it like a male and female post like this sometime if necessary. ये deformity correction में कैसे करता है? Deformity correction में इसको hinge की तरफ use करता है. Hinge. After all, your correction is gradual. If a deformity is like this, you fix it according to deformity. Then gradually correction you have to like this, you have to correct it. So you have to correct the angulation like this. So in a case that is a hinge can be converted into a hinge with the corrections of the deformity. Supposing deformity was like this, flexion deformity. Now you gradually want to correct it. So you have to correct like this. Gradually you have to correct it like this. So at time it will come to state. Initially you are giving a flexion like this. It is the original deformity. Now you can gradually correct it. Or reverse thing may happen also happen depending on the need. समझ गया ना? So you can convert this thing to a hinge. That hinge is the where you can go for the gradual correction. तो इस बारे में किसी को कुछ जानकारी है? माने कुछ जानकारी और लेना है? So you must know about the male post, about the female post, and also this can be converted to a hinge. ठीक है? Now another is called extend. This is also actually this is a support. Another edge. This is a long edge. It can be also come in a different size. Male and female posts are actually basically this short segment. This is a short one. This is fixed male post that for hinge. But here you can go for extension. Supposing I am also going to fix it like there. इसमें not लगाओ. External fixator का claim लेके आओ. So I want to have additional pin in the area. What I will try to do that I can go for a fixation like this. इसको पकड़ के रखो ऐसे करके हाँ पकड़ के रखो अच्छा इसको हम इसको ही लगा देते हैं कभी ये थोड़ा सा काम में लगाते हैं नॉट तो दे दो हमको जाता है कि नॉट दे इसमें थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल लिखा है एक्चुअली ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लेम में सेंस को एक तो दे दो सेंस को ना वही हाँ हाइब्रिड एक सेंस को दे दो मुझे सेंस को लेके आओ सेंस पिन पिन डांगा तो ये तो खबर नहीं कहाँ दे सेंस को टेस्ट करता हूँ सेंस पिन दे इसको पकड़ के रखो ऐसे करके हाँ ठीक है इसको forget about this part Forget about the tibia. Now here the condition I am showing that how to use this your post. This is a post. Forget about this part. The another claim supposed to, but here you can also use certain type